have you ever wondered what the Canadian PNP program is and how you can apply? Let's jump right in. The Canadian Provincial Nominee Program, or PNP, is a gateway for provinces and territories in Canada to nominate individuals who have a keen interest in settling in a specific province. It's a golden ticket for those aspiring to immigrate to Canada, serving as one of the swiftest paths to secure Canadian permanent residency. Now that we know what the PNP program is, let's delve into how to apply. So, who is eligible for the Canadian PNP program? Well, the eligibility criteria for the Provincial Nominee Program, or PNP, can vary from province to province. However, some common threads run through all of them. First and foremost, you must have the skills, education, and work experience to make a meaningful contribution to the economy of the province or territory you wish to reside in. This could mean anything from being a skilled tradesperson to holding advanced degrees in specialized fields. Each province has its own in-demand occupation list, which is a good starting point to understand what skills they value. But it's not just about your qualifications and experience. A key requirement is your intention to reside in the province. You need to demonstrate a genuine desire to live, work, and make a life in that specific province or territory. Now that we know who's eligible, what's the process to apply? Applying for the PNP program involves a series of steps. Are you ready to learn? Let's dive in. First, you'll need to choose a province or territory where you'd like to live and work. Each province has its own PNP stream, so research is key. Once you've chosen, you'll apply for that province's PNP stream. Next, if the province accepts your application, you'll receive a nomination from them. This nomination is your ticket to the next step, applying to Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, or IRCC for short, for permanent residence. Once you've submitted your application to IRCC, you'll need to complete medical checks and security checks. This is to ensure you're in good health and have a clean record. But remember, patience is a virtue. The process can take some time, so don't get disheartened. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to applying for the Canadian PNP program. So, let's recap what we've learned today. The Canadian Provincial Nominee Program, or PNP, is a fantastic route for immigration. Eligibility hinges on factors like job skills, education, and language proficiency. The application process, while thorough, is straightforward and manageable. Remember, the Canadian PNP program is a golden opportunity for those wishing to make Canada their new home. This is the Comrade Community, signing off. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more informative content like this. See you in the next video.